The US Senate passes a bill which could delist several US companies. Now, what they're trying to do is really clamp down in terms of compliance, regulation, audit on foreign companies, but specifically Chinese companies at the moment that are not really following protocol. Okay, these Chinese companies that are listed on US exchanges, okay, in the indices in the US on which they listed on, they're not following certain compliance and regulations. So that's really being tightened up by the US. Now, for obvious reasons as to why, right? The US are continuing to prod China because they're not happy. Trump's clearly not happy with China. So this is certainly not going to help the relationship at the moment, relations, which are very much non-existent right now. Trump went on a massive Twitter rampage yesterday as well, actually really targeting, coming down hard on China and even taking a knock on President Xi Jinping. So it's really, really not good. And what this could just see is obviously not even before the Chinese companies even get delisted, they'll just pull themselves anyway and go somewhere else and go and list in another country. So look, China have already warned the US that they will retaliate. It's just a matter of time now. And, the markets, in terms of the initial reaction on this Senate passing bill, late in the European session yesterday, we started seeing a little bit of strength in dollar, okay? A little bit of a pullback on those riskier currencies, just giving back some of their gains after they've been pumping to the upside. Look, I think the markets are really waiting for, as soon as we see China retaliate, and in terms of to what extent, that's when we start getting those big moves again, those big safe haven flows back into yen, back into dollar, back into gold. But there's a lot of cautious behavior from market players right now. So just keep this in your mind that the US and Chinese tensions continue to escalate. Guys, look, in terms of daily fundamental and technical analysis, we live and breathe that. Fingers are on the pulses here. Do not hesitate. Check out freaknetwork.io, click become a member, check out what we offer. Stay lit. Let's get it.